Hello, so I just wanted to give you guys some quick background. I bought the car back when I was in the Marine Corps. It needed an engine rebuild. I sent it home to a buddy to have a new engine installed. It took a few years, but we got the new engine installed. I went and picked the car up, and in the process of driving it home, probably less than 1,000 miles on the car, the new engine lost oil and it blew up. So the car sat for probably over 10 years, pretty neglected, in and out of storage, sat outside for a while, sometimes covered, sometimes uncovered. I had never worked on the car myself and finally got my hands on the car again and just decided to start working on it. And these are some pictures of the condition of the car when I started working on it. And like I said, I had never worked on the car before. My background, I was an aircraft electrician for like 9 years. I've been to automotive school, and I just dove into it and started rebuilding it. The engine is a fresh rebuild. It just sat in my buddy's garage for a number of years before I got my hands on the car and the engine. A lot of the parts just sat out in boxes outside for a few years, so they were in pretty rough shape. It took me quite a bit of time to clean everything up and get it ready to go back on the car. Some of it's not in the best shape, but it is what it is. I'm replacing things as I can and just working on it. So hopefully you guys can stick around and enjoy the car with me a little bit as I put out some more videos here and work on it and put out some maintenance videos if I can. So, see you guys around.